Baby. Yo. Akira. Murakoze. Amazi yo kunywa akayoga mu maso. Uyu muginga ziko dufite ibibazo n'urugendo rurerure.
Well, this is just
Charano.
awesome.
Bini byiza.
So how'd you get wounded?
None se wakomeretse ute mu mugongo?
Saw you've been favoring it.
Nabibonye ukuntu umugongo wawe witaho cyane unakubabaza.
God, sorry for trying to have a human moment with you in the middle of a jungle where we could die at any second.
Namva ko nono wanganiriza ubwo turi ahantu mu ishyamba kanya kari kose umuntu yanapfa. Kandi kari karamubwira ngo nigashaka kavugisha ngamenye icyamuzanye.
I got injured. My back hurts.
Ndi kugenda nza gukomereka mu mugongo.
Yeah.
Mu muhanda mu muhanda. Nakubeshya.
My last mission.
Nakubeshya ni kuri mission yanjye ya nyuma. Meruka gukora.
So you're married? Or were married? I didn't quite follow with the ring thing.
Yes. Probably separated by now.
Madamu wanje ubwo tumeze nkaho twatandukanye.
I am a normal day-to-day life.
Genda umuntu ukunda gukora akazi nk'aka kurusha uko nahora mu kazi nyine ka buri munsi k'abakozi basanzwe.
Sucked. I got low.
Gusa naje gukora iyo mpanuka bituma nsubira muri ako kazi.
To figure out how to become a lawyer.
Bitanjya kuba umwavoka.
You're a lawyer?
Uri umwavoka? Nabona guri icyamba unsakiraho cy'iki bodyguard. Umukobwa yarumiwe. Umugabo yaranize yamusuzuguye azi ngo ni bya bisore birinda umutekano biraho bitanize.
Make me feel more normal.
Gusa akazi k'ubwavoka singakunda kano kazi niko gatuma numva ndi umuntu muzima nk'abandi.
So you got into private security.
Uze ngo noneho muri iyi minsi wagiye gukorera bari abantu bakora ibintu by'igisirikare cyigenga yego.
5.
Yo bamuhaye mission.
3 days.
What? CDI said you were there.
Ari maze nk'iminsi 3 nyine CDI nsubije mu kazi. Kandi CDI barambwiye ngo uri umusirikare bafite urenza abandi.
I think you got your money's worth, right?
Pfa kuba narashe indege ndakeka amafaranga wishyuye ubwo atapfuye ubusa nagutabaye.
That was pretty damn cool.
Yeah.
We should go around.
How rude would that be?
It probably isn't safe.
He's very safe. Welcome to Sabrina. My home.
Murakaza neza muri Sabrina. Iki nicyo giturage cy'iwacu. Aha niho mu bantu banjye. Hamwe nyine president aba yarakuriye. Yabazanye mu Gatsata.
La Panesto!
Cyo kirimo ise shamba nanacyumva.
Hey.
Yeah. President niho yahungiye.
Imagina kusa chaski, señor.
Wana musa kaje gufatwa wibagirwa amaniga yawe niko bari kumubwira.
Nesto Sandoval. He is the leader.
Ni inshuti yanjye ya kera. Niwe mudugudu w'inaho uyoboye igiturage. Mudugudu irari. Bano bagabo bina bafite irari. Mumpepe. Ibigabo byano byose bifite irari. President Menyano yakuriye harangwa mu muco wabo hama makano k'irari. Uri mwiza kurusha kuri televiziyo sha. Menye abantu bose bakunda n'umukobwa makuru ye.
Tatai.
Yeah. Baraseka. Kiraba ari kumwe cyo kirasekeje kineye ubwo.
Some funny, I guess.
Avuze ngo iki?
This is Pepino. He is the son-in-law.
Uyu ni Pepino.
He will give us a ride into town.
Yashakanye n'umukobwa w'uyu mugabo mutugutu.
Yes, Mason. Nobody travels this region of the country at night.
Muntu ujuza muri kano gace.
Consider that
Niyo baba basirikare nta muntu ubasha kuhagera. Mujye gukaraba ayo maraso yewani yizirire mu mbibiri ba mudugudira riri ba mudugudira. Hari ibihugu busangira riri mu muco. Baje kubanza kwiyuhagira. Badutera umwako. Muraho. Kumba umukobwa avuye kugana na president avuye kogera hirya we nta soni agira ari gukora rero. Mbega tatuwaje nziza ari ukuntu cya president cyo gihagaze nta soni gifite bakirebe.
Not petit at all.
Ndabona utari muto sha.
We do the interview?
Dukore interview noneho. Umukobwa yarumi president nta soni agira yana. Niki se mutazi sha Yo kora interview sha uri president. Niko. Bano barumiwe.
So, what do you want me to do again?
Just a standard 2-shot.
Nabizi interview turayikora gute rero?
And then basic training.
Just to make sure we're both in the.
We icyo ukora ufata iyo telefone ubundi udukamera interview nyinshi zisigaye zikoreshwa amatelefone. Byaroroshye. Telefone rega ziba zihenze zigura amamiliyoni n'amamiliyoni.
We're rolling?
Yeah.
Turimo neza muri kamera cyane cyane. Basho gukora interview.
Vegas, thank you for speaking to.
President Venegas reka ngushimire ko wemeye kuma interview.
Transpired over the past 12 hours.
Bidutwaye hafi amasaha 12 turi mu kavuyo twirukanka.
The opportunity of speaking.
Reka nanjye ngushimire kumpaye amahirwe yo kuvugana nawe wa mukobwa.
Earlier this morning, you.
Kuba bidatsinze isi yose iraza kumenya ko.
An attempt that resulted.
Muri iki gitondo warokotse abantu bashaka kwica warokotse kudeta. Ndetse ikipe yakurindaga igapfa. Birababaje ariko nibyo.
Behind this attempted coup.
Ese urakeka ninde uri inyuma y'ikudeta bashatse kugutera?
Our land and its mineral resources have been exploited by.
Ubutaka bw'igihugu cyacu hashize igihe kinini abanyamahanga bifuza kuza cyangwa ibihugu by'ibihangange kuba byadutwarira ubutaka bwacu.
Long time.
Hashize igihe kinini pe.
That these outsiders have propped up my presidency.
Ndetse rero kubera ngiye nifuza cyangwa se najya nemerera abanyamahanga kuza ngo igihugu cyacu ibiri mu butaka baze babitware babikoreshe mu nyungu zabo. Niyo mpamvu abanyamahanga bifuza gukorana n'abantu bo mu gihugu cyanjye ngo bankure ku bupresident.
I turn my back on my people.
Ariko sinatera umugongo abaturage nyoboye.
Yes.
Yaba CIA ya Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika, yaba CIS.
Only a tool.
Bose ni ibikoresho.
Just like me in countries like mine.
Biba bishaka gufata abayobozi nkatwe ngo bidukoreshe.
In the hands of CEOs
Kugira ngo imbaraga
that make billions.
Zibiri mu butaka bwacu babasha kuba babiha abo bantu b'abanyemiliyari zabo bafite amakampani akomeye cyane babibyaza umusaruro wabo.
So the corporate.
Nanze ro kugurisha ubutunzi bw'igihugu cyanjye buri mu butaka. Abo bantu niyo mpamvu bashaka kunyica.
The attackers seemed like professional soldiers.
Abatwatatse nabonaga ari abanyamwuga bashaka kwica. Babaguze.
An assassination attempt is scary?
Urakeka biriya bintu biteye ubwoba byo kuba bashatse kunyica?
Try telling the CEO of a global energy company.
Uzagerageze utuke CEO w'ibigo bicuruza amapeteroli.
To go fuck his mother and what?
Ubwire ngajye kuryamana na mama we.
50% by the end.
Uzarebe ko ubukungu bw'igihugu cyanyu butahitaho umunuko 70%. Ugihamagara rimwe.
The second chance.
Iki gihugu cyacu cyahawe amahirwe ya kabiri.
In my fist are lanthanides.
Hari icyitwa lanthanides.
Rare earth metals that are the.
Ati byo ni amabuye y'agaciro asangwa mu butaka.
For every new technology.
Ayo mabuye y'agaciro asangwa muri ubutaka bwacu niyo akorwamo ibikoresho byose bya technology.
Cell phones, tablets, cars, MRI,
imodoka za electrique, imodoka amamashini ya MRI yari abakoresha kwa muganga. Ayo mabuye mbega meze bakoramo n'ibyuma niyo akora ibintu by'amatelefone. Ayo mabuye nge numva ngo no muri Kongo barayahacukura menshi cyane.
They want to exploit our new resources.
Ibihugu by'amahanga rero biba bishaka kuza bigatwara ayo mabuye yacu y'agaciro mu nyungu zabo.
Trying to kill me.
Mpangiye rero ubutunzi bwacu ko bazajya baza bakabutwara. Niyo mpamvu bashaka kunyica ngo bansimbuze umuyobozi bashaka uzajya ubaha ubwo butunzi. Niko biriya bihugu bikora.
Mi promesa y mi legado.
Ariko isezerano nahawe abaturage banjye n'ibigwi byanjye ibiri mu butaka ngomba kubikoresha neza kugira ngo bigirire akamaro binateza imbere igihugu cyacu. Ntabwo bigomba guteza imbere ibihugu by'amahanga by'ibihangange. Wabonye ariko umugabo akunda igihugu cye n'abaturage be, ariko ibihugu by'amahanga by'ibihangange byirwa bivuga ngo ni umunyagitugu. Buri uzitonda buri abayobozi benshi badakora ibyo ibihugu by'ibihangange bishaka babita abanyagitugu. Kugira ngo mwagiye mubona abo ba Gaddafi bitwa abanyagitugu bakahita banicwa. Ubu Libya muri kubona hiri abantu bigiraga ubuntu bakabaho ku buntu bakivuza ku buntu bakigira ubuntu, ariko igihugu ni amatongo. Abaturage nabo barabwiye ngo umuyoborwa n'umunyagitugu, nabo barasara ngo ni umunyagitugu. Ariko ubu bari kwicuza ati cyatugarurira uwo muntu twitaga umunyagitugu Gaddafi. Bamukura he? Wapi? Nakwereka perezida yaje hano kwibyinira, bari mu baturage be yibyinira yasahinze. Katururi. Aje kuryama.
You don't have to sleep in a chair, Mason.
ntabwo ari ngombwa urare mu ntebe Mason.
Wanna play a game to see who gets the bed?
dukina umukino turebe ninde uri burare ku buriri undi akarara mu ntebe.
Okay.
So
What this is, I'm gonna be in trouble.
umukobwa vaye wabonye tatuwaje. Iyo ni mandala.
They got it in India.
wayiteresheje mu Buhindi
Trip.
wagiye mu kazi.
Okay.
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 Yeah.
This
hano hari n'indi mfite
Latin.
handitse mu kiratini.
She flies with her own wings.
handitseho ngo uriya mukobwa agurukana n'amababa ye. icyo ni ikiratini. ni sawa.
I got it a few years ago.
iyi sato nayiteje imyaka mike ishize.
Out fine.
inyibutsa ko ibintu byose bizamera neza.
Do you need that reminder? Aside from being here with an inexperienced bodyguard and being hunted by mercenaries.
njyewe bundi aka kazi ndimo ntabwo nari nkamenyereye ko kuba bodyguard kuhigwa n'abamercenaries. mbwira umunyamakuru.
You see that?
aha ni indi tatuwaje.
Yep. Anarchy?
iyo ni anarchy.
Not believe in any form of
nyine by'uko umuntu nta buyobozi yemera na bumwe.
Sure.
nayishyizeho nkiri umutineja nkiri umutini numva ko nta leta n'imwe yanyobora ngiye ngomba kubaho niyobora.
Got me into journalism, you know,
ubwo naje kujya mu itangazamakuru
or
do
governments to get to the truth.
ngerageza kujya mpangana n'amaguverinoma kugira ngo njye ngaragaze ukuri ngushyire hanze.
Yeah, of course.
So
ndakumva.
I came here for the chance to confront a dictator.
njye nari naje hano ngira ngo n'umunyagitugu nk'uko bari bamubwiye
For my-
zamushyire hanze ko ari umunyagitugu ariko nabonye bitandukanye n'uko ari umunyagitugu.
A little bit for my.
hari ukuntu abantu bavuga ngo umuntu ni umunyagitugu ariko atari byo.
Now you tell me something.
ngambwira uramuki twarabamenye nagire.
Are you enjoying this?
bino turi gukora biri kukunezeza.
My job.
njye ndi gukora akazi kanjye kanzanye.
Yeah, me too.
nanjye ndi kugakora.
I can't.
sinshobora. twarabamenye bandetse.
Yeah.
mureke twarabamenye ndeka twarabamenye. ibi bintu bishobora abasore bake ndimo.
Timing, right?
amaninja araduhaguruka sha tuzajya tubahakanira.
Good night, Mr. Petit.
sawa uramuke. babonye ukuntu dukwiye kujya twitwara muri iki kinyejana mumenye agaciro ariko kanya. yo
Morning.
mwaramutse.
No. We gotta go.
dufite kugenda nta gutinda.
You're still not gonna let me go to Puerto Santiago to tell this story, huh?
That's a negative. You got your exclusive. We get you to say.
inkuru yawe wayibonye perezida mwakoranye interview none ubu twagenda.
Enough
cyakuzanye wakibona.
story. I mean, yes,
cyenda cyafite inkuru nyinshi ariko zo kuvuga.
side, but it could still be dismissed as the Ranch
wabona ariko hari ibindi bintu atatubwiye nabyo twari dukeneye.
Revolt.
umukobwa aracyashabye. vayo.
The world has always been largely apathetic towards my country,
isi ndabizi igihugu cyanjye gifata nabi cyane
but not my people.
ariko ngiye bamfata nabi sinshaka ko bafata abantu banjye nabi.
Puerto Santiago,
uyu munsi ndajya Puerto Santiago
my people.
kugira ngo ndwanirire ahazaza heza abaturage banjye.
Visions of saving your people with the back burner and not getting us killed to the front burner.
wegenda rwose utabara abantu bawe nibashabe bakwica nanjye ndatabara uyu mukobwa. Mason wazanywe n'icyana.
Yes. Why are you here in Paldonia?
kubera icyo waje hano muri Paridonia
For her, to protect her.
kurinda uno mukobwa.
That's why you think you're here?
niko bitekereza ko ari impamvu uri hano.
For such a cynical man,
waba uri umusazi.
naive, Mason.
Mason bitekerezeho neza.
All places.
ibaza ahantu hose kiriya kigo cyagiye cyohereza abantu kuharinda.
The question is why, Mason?
ikibazo ku cyerewe bahisemo ngo uze hano noneho kuri harindira umutekano. nawe byibaza impamvu bakohereje hano Mason. nabonye uzi ubwenge umugabo asa nk'uwanariza cyane nubwo aba yigize nk'umusazi. abari mu baturage bikinira football ariko ibihugu by'amahanga bimwita umunyagitugu ariko abavuga ati abaturage banjye nta muntu ugomba kubakoraho. yaje anafata telefone amagara boss we.
Yo, it's Mason.
ni Mason. yego Mason.
Okay, I'm freaked
Meze neza.
out here.
Yeah.
mfite ubwoba.
What's the story, bro? You sent me
Bari bimeze bite?
that roll over?
kuki wanyohereje
The
hano
mess to handle it? Because I own.
hari ibibazo byinshi birenze ubushobozi
What are you
bwanjye
talking about?
vuga ibiki
Man, you really gonna try to convince me you sent me down here randomly to meet the guy?
urashaka kunyohereza hano ukumbwira ko wanyohereje hano ngo nze nganire cyangwa ngo mbe ndi hafi y'umugabo wishe hafi kimwe cya kabiri cy'ikipe yacu
This should be great.
biri aho gusa bisanzwe mbwira impamvu wanyohereje hano
Not what you think.
uko ubitekereza siko biri Mace
I love you like a brother.
urabizi ndagukunda nk'umuvandimwe
The only thing I can't figure out is why you needed me down here.
kuki watumye nzana
They wanted you to dispose of him.
bagira ngo ujye aho ngaho wice uwo muperezida
Kill Venegas?
yice Venegas
Ranch.
yego
One of his bodyguards was going to get you a gun.
umwe mu barinzi be yagombaga guha imbunda akakwinjiza mu cyumba perezida araramo ugahita umwica
If to take out the guy who killed our brothers.
wibuke ko ariwe wishe abagenzi bacu bari bari mu ndege
He was hip to it and he jumped the gun.
nawe rero ugomba kumurasa ukamwica
I thought there was going to be a coup.
Seb, what kind of insanity you got yourself into?
ibyo ni biki wijyanyemo
Security
ni
contract
kontara baduhaye umutekano ariko ikubiyemo no kwica uwo muperezida
people.
hari igihe uhura n'abantu babi bakakubwira ngo nibyo uzabikora
Who are these people? Who paid?
abo bantu ni bande bakwishyura
Africans are contractors
ni
too.
abantu baduhaye kontara muri South Africa
Interview happened.
nibwo bambwiye ngo iriya interview tuyipange ya Wellington
You want to take control of
The
the
Lanthanides.
ni
right.
abantu bashaka ko bakontorora Lantanides
Easy fix.
ya mabuye y'agaciro batubwiye
Venegas.
Venegas uze kumurasa
Lost. Do it for him.
ubikore kubw'igihugu cye ayoboye n'aba ari umunyagitugu no kubw'abaturage afata nabi ndetse unabikore kubwa bagenzi bacu yishe mu ndege hasi bamwohereje ngo kwica n'umugabo kandi we yiboneye ko n'umugabo atari umunyagitugu ageze no kumutabara kan
Hello.
hello
Honey?
honey
Hi, Daddy.
bite papa
Yeah. Hey, I just wanted to tell you.
nashaka
Love
kubwira
me so much.
I love you.
mama ndamukumbuye ndamukunda nawe ndagukunda papa
Mommy is sad. You
ariko mama yarakaye
Yeah, I promise I'll be home soon. Hey, is mommy there? Can you put mom on the phone?
mama arahari ngo umume kuri telefone
okay?
umva
But she told Grandma
mama namwumvisha avugana na nyogokuru
talk to you again until you get your shit together.
yavuze ngo ntuzagaruke mu rugo ngo utarabanza kwisuganya ngo umenye icyo ushaka nimba ari ukubaka cyangwa atari ukubaka ikamushyira telefone nabumvisha na nyogokuru bakuvuga ni akana abana bajya
Mason,
Mason
where are you?
I'm just
uri he
getting Casey something.
hari ahantu undi
I just wanted to say thank you for sticking with me through all this and that I love you very much.
nubwo ndi muri ibibazo ariko nashaka kubwira ko ngukunda
Okay, I mean, you're kind of scaring me with that.
No, it's don't worry. I love you.
nakunda
I love you too.
nanjye ndagukunda
So much.
kandi cyane
Please just come home. In one piece.
ndakwinjiza uze gutaha uri muzima
I'm on my way.
Okay.
ndi mu nzira pe ndi mu nzira hari mu nzira
Thank God.
Imana ishimwe ko umugabo wanjye ari muzima mudamu
All right.
So you want to be in position, right?
do perezida ari hano
Position right.
ewa none uhita wikora utuntu nk'utu tw'utumara inyeri none uyu mugabo ahorana ibyishimo Mason yaje arakaye shaho
Good night.
What?
We're leaving.
turagiye
Wait, don't give me a reason.
kubera iye nta mpamvu nguha batarajya kure hari izaje bano bahita bambuka Hey! barabaje bano nabashaka kwica n'umuperezida igihugu bakagishyiraho umuntu uzajya ukora ibyo bashaka ariya mabuye y'agaciro muri iki gihugu ahambaye bakabasha kuyageraho neza
Where's Venegas?
Venegas baje
Dude, stop following us already. I could say the same thing to you, but I have
katururi
my Mio has a car. Come on.
He dicho che dónde está el presidente Venegas.
perezida Venegas ari hehe
Qui tata. He dicho che dónde está el presidente Venegas.
yavuga perezida Venegas ari hehe
Esto Sandoval. Que dónde está el presidente Venegas.
que donde está el presidente Venegas bamutam bazana hano umva iyi modoka niyo muri bucikiremo
Sí, señor.
ntabwo ari imodoka nibyo imodoka by'amafuti bigenda gahoro
What are we gonna do with this thing?
iriya modoka ntabwo yakwiruka irirutwa no kwiruka n'amaguru bano basa kureba ibyo ari byo perezida itavayo mureke nikigende perezida yabonye bari kubangamira abaturage be disi urabona ko uyu mugabo akunda abaturage be koko nk'uko yabivugaga ajya kwitanga bareka abaturage be.
I hate you.
We
You're looking for Venegas?
ni Venegas mushaka
Here's Venegas!
Venegas ndi hano
Can you ride?
uzi gutwara ifarasi nagerageza biranga
Get on! What? Get on!
urira ifarasi wa mugigo ntabwo nzi gutwara ifarasi ko nabonye amafoto uri ku ifarasi ziriya ni photoshop ngo ziriya ni barashayurira ifarasi baramubona iyo Rebe. Hey.
Hold on my waist! This isn't weird at all.
Let's go!
Yeah. Hey.
Hang tight! Clear! This way!
Hey. Bakurikiwe.
Clear! Follow me!
Umukobwa parika nabi. Hey. Aramuzenguruka.
Hang on!
Katururi. Gumaho muri. Umukobwa arafashwe.
Hello, Miss Wellington.
Miss Wellington biti.
I called you Claire.
Cyangwa ite Claire. Bano bageze hano babura umukobwa.
She was right behind us.
Claire yaraturi inyuma. Umukobwa baramutwaye.
Don't worry.
Ntugire ikibazo.
For her, if I'm still alive.
Ntago bamubabaza mu gihe nyiri muzima ninjye bashaka.
Santiago.
Excellent.
Birasa nkaho tugiye ahandi washaka kujya. Wereta Santiago. Bahita berekerayo. Yo.
So you take money to make private wars? What's that like?
Bivuze ngo baguha amafaranga ugateza intambara ahantu.
I would, but I seem to have been kidnapped by mercenaries.
Bisa nkaho nashimuswe na ba mercenaries.
From the worst dictator this continent.
Oya turi kugerageza gukuraho umunyagitugu nuko batangira kukwita kubera yabimye amabuye y'agaciro.
Shooting
Bari
it.
kumwita umunyagitugu.
Our group has been contracted on behalf of the people of Belgania.
Twebwe ikontara tuba twayifashe tumeze nk'abari kurwanira uburenganzira bw'abaturage b'iki gihugu. Tubakurireho umunyagitugu basigare bafite demokarasi.
I have no idea what's actually going on.
We ntabwo uzi ibijya mbere.
To bring stability and peace.
Twazanywe no gushakira amahoro kino gihugu dukureho umunyagitugu. Nta kindi kumbe barishakira amabuye.
It's the will of the powerful.
Demokarasi tuyibasigire.
Crazy, but yes, I do. Kind of part of the gig.
It certainly sounds nice, and I wish you were right, Claire. I really do. Unfortunately, people are foolish.
Gusa ikibazo abantu ni ibigoryi.
They don't know what they want.
Abantu barashaka mu babwiza ukuri.
Matters. They need looking after.
So what matters?
None ni ikirero cy'ingenzi.
It's power.
Ni imbaraga.
You can hold it and use it.
Imbaraga urabanza ukazifata ubundi ukazikoresha uko ushaka.
Using you.
Ninde uri kugukoresha?
Yeah. Certainly people who
Abantu bari kunkoresha ntago bakunda akazi ukora ko gushaka kugaragaza ukuri kwinshi, ntago bakunda abanyamakuru nk'amwe mu mena amabanga y'ibikorwa byacu, baba bashaka abanyamakuru nyine
Much further.
batangaza ibyo babasabye.
He's just over there, Rich.
Hakurya iriya tugiye.
El amor por tu piel llega al amanecer.
Ikigabo kiraririmba.
No me llegue la vida.
What's all this singing, man?
Uririmba ibiki?
You notice?
Abonye ibyo ndirimba.
Believe that when one encounters death
Ye nizera ko iyo umuntu ahuye n'ibibazo
into it.
uba ugomba kubiririmbira.
Right?
I'm a singer,
Je sinzi kuririmba.
dancer.
Nta nubwo nzi kubyina. Ameze nkanjye.
Not afraid of a big belly laugh every now and again, huh?
Oh,
Ahari menye ufite ubwoba ukomeza ugaseka cyane.
I believe that one should always remember to laugh.
Yewe nizera ko mu bintu byose byabwo twacamo tuba tugomba kwibuka guseka.
I'm here.
Oh,
Namenye impamvu ndi hano noneho nayimenye.
Want me to kill you?
Bari bambwiye ngo nkwice.
that makes sense.
Noneho birumvikana.
Of course.
Birumvikana.
Blame me for shooting down your helicopter, for your friends dying, for your life ever since. Then my late bodyguard
Nabizi yari kashukushuku yaguye yari irimo weho n'inshuti zawe z'abasirikare muje hano bakeka ko ari njye wakeka ko ari njye wayirashe
let you into my bedroom.
ariko sinjye.
I don't.
Bari bakubwiye ngo baraguha ngo bodyguard wanjye aguha imbunda kuzane mu cyumba ndase.
Being a dictator.
No,
Wari umunyagitugu.
it's just practice. There is something important I need to tell you, though.
Hari ikintu cy'ingenzi cyawe kubwira.
I didn't shoot down your helicopter.
Kajugujuguye mwari murimo ntabwo ari njye wayirashe.
Didn't personally.
It was friendly fire. Do you really think we can stop an American invasion?
Yesu urakeka twahagarika gute abanyamerika iyo batwatatse kuri iyi?
I mean, of course, I knew you guys were coming.
Nari mbizi ko muje kunyica na kajugujugu yanyu.
So, as a matter of fact, I was getting ready to take a boat.
Ndetse nari niteguye no guhungira muri Cuba.
A helicopter gets.
Kiye kubona mbona kajugujugu yanyu barayirashe. Ibintu byose birahagarara.
And the next morning, I
Mu
get
gitondo
from one of my ex
nakiriye umushyitsi
and me.
y'umwe mu bahoze ari ababosi banjye.
Helicopter would land.
Arambwira ngira kajugujugu bari bohereje ngo abanyamerika yari irimo abasirikare bari baje kukwica. Ariko barambwira ngo iriya kajugujugu twebwe twari twayohereje abanyamerika ari natwe twayirasiye kugira ngo tukwereke ko ubutanu udasinya amasezerano yo kujya dutwara peteroli iva mu butaka bwanyu tuzohereza noneho kajugujugu ikaza igaparika ikakwiyicira.
Of course, I did.
Bivuze ngo abohereje kajugujugu ni nabo bayirashe yari irimo bagenzi b'uyu musore n'abasirikare be.
Bonds.
Bivuze ngo twe twarakoreshejwe twari nk'ibitambo.
I'm very sorry about your friends, Mason.
Wihangane ku bw'inshuti zawe zapfuye zarashwe n'abari babohereje. Mbega bohereje kajugujugu igeze mu kirere cy'uyu mugabo, abari bohereje bano basirikare bahita bayirasira, bahita babwira perezida tubonye ko ari kajugujugu twari twohereje tukanayirasira, ubutaha ntago tuzayirasa none izazi pariki kwica. Mbega yari nk'agasopo.
You're gonna tell the truth before they could take you out and replace you with somebody more user-friendly.
Bivuze ngo barashaka kukwica mbere yuko utangaza amakuru kuri uriya munyamakuru ukavuga ibyo bintu byose.
Then
Impamvu ibihugu by'amahanga bikwanga. Yego. Turahagiye ni hakurya iriya. Harani hagiye. Katururi. Umukobwa bamushimusi. Umugabo ya Jano. Azasenge. Ejo ni urugamba rukomeye. Ejo agomba kujya ngo muri presidence. Kandi barashaka kumutera kudeta. Katururi.